Good morning. It is Saturday, January 27th, and I got all the polishing done on the Magna Cut. So I still need to buff it, but as far as the grinding aspect of it goes, we are done. So it'll get a little shinier with the buffing. Super stoked by that. I got the handle scratched up, so the handle tang is ready for the start of me building the handle. Like I said before, I think it'll have a 304 stainless steel bolster, which will be the first order of business later today to get that going, and we'll see how far I get on building the handle. Otherwise, that's really it for me for today. Here's Danny with what he's got going on.
What's up, everyone? Just to get you caught up on what's going on in my world, I've got my 3 glued up. I got them glued up about midday yesterday, and in between I went to my batch of 3 over here and started buffing and finishing these guys, getting ready for handles. So I picked out a cool brass inlaid carbon fiber to go with this little baddie, and if I can get that along with some shaping done, that'd be great. We are starting off the day with a big chunk of sharpening. We do apologies. We do a food processing set of blades for a company here in Houston, and so Russell and I are going to hit that on the head first. It'll take us about an hour, hour and a half. It's a big little process, huge circular blades. But that's going to start off our day, and then we'll get into however Saturday goes, which tend to be busy. Now we are going to go into our favorite place with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about the Civivi Blazen. So 2 things to talk about. First, there's a drop point version and a Tonto version. They have the same handles. The other big difference is the drop points come in the 14C 20N stainless steel, and the Tontos come in D2.
Woo!
And then all those are G10, and then we have some coarse burlap micartas. You can literally see like the strings in there, obviously with a Damascus blade, and then you can really see that one. And then, oh, that one really should be over here, huh? See, like that. Boom. So, again, like all Civivis on ceramic ball bearings, these things just fly open, either thumb stud or flipper. Absolutely brilliant knives. If you're looking for a Tonto blade that's really durable, I'd say check them out.
Right on, y'all. As usual, we'll wrap it up here for the week. We appreciate you guys joining us. As always, make sure you're commenting, subscribing, liking, everything for our channel to help it grow. We appreciate it. We love it all. We'll wrap it up here. See you next week, guys. Peace.